Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel New Tech Made Easy. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bing integration. Bing is Microsoft's search engine, and it has several powerful features that can be used to enhance artificial intelligence solutions. In this video, I'll discuss how Bing integration can be used to improve the accuracy, relevance, and personalization of artificial intelligence-powered applications. I'll also show you some examples of how Bing integration is being used by businesses and organizations to improve their operations. So let's get started. One of the most important benefits of Bing integration is that it can help to improve the accuracy of artificial intelligence-powered applications. Bing has a large index of web pages, and it uses a variety of artificial intelligence techniques to understand the content of those pages. This means that Bing can provide more accurate results when you're searching for information. By integrating Bing's search capabilities into AI-powered applications, developers can leverage the vast amount of information indexed by Bing to enhance the accuracy of their application's search functionality. Another benefit of Bing integration is that it can help to improve the relevance of artificial intelligence-powered applications. Bing uses a variety of factors to determine the relevance of a search result, including the user's search history, location, and interests. This means that Bing can provide more relevant results when you're searching for information. By integrating Bing's relevance algorithms, artificial intelligence-powered applications can deliver search results that are tailored to the user's specific needs and preferences, enhancing the overall user experience. Furthermore, Bing integration can help to improve the personalization of artificial intelligence-powered applications. Bing leverages user-specific data, such as age, gender, and interests, to personalize search results. This means that Bing can provide more personalized results when you're searching for information. By incorporating Bing's personalization capabilities, artificial intelligence-powered applications can deliver search results that are highly relevant to individual users, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. Here are some examples of how Bing integration is being used by businesses and organizations to improve their operations. 1. Microsoft is using Bing integration to improve the accuracy and relevance of its search results. By utilizing Bing's powerful search capabilities, Microsoft has been able to enhance the search experience for its customers, ensuring that they receive more accurate and relevant results when using Microsoft products and services. 2. A large financial services company is using Bing integration to improve its fraud detection capabilities. By incorporating Bing's search functionalities and algorithms, the company has been able to analyze vast amounts of data and detect patterns indicative of fraudulent activities. This has helped the company to prevent millions of dollars in fraud, protecting both their assets and their customers' interests. 3. A healthcare organization is using Bing integration to improve its patient care. By integrating Bing's search capabilities, the organization can access a wealth of medical information and resources. This helps healthcare professionals make more informed decisions, provides relevant and up-to-date information to patients, and ultimately improves the quality of care delivered. 4. Educational institutions are also leveraging Bing integration to enhance their learning platforms. By integrating Bing's search capabilities, educational platforms can provide students and educators with access to a wide range of educational resources, research materials, and scholarly articles. This integration empowers students to conduct comprehensive research and enables educators to deliver more enriched and up-to-date educational content. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more artificial intelligence tutorials. Thanks for watching. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, Bing integration can also help to improve the efficiency of artificial intelligence-powered applications. This is because Bing can provide pre-processed data that can be used to train artificial intelligence models.